Shalom, shalom, everyone. So this class is on the Zera Shimshon Parashat Vaetchanan, and the topic of the class is on a man or woman's job, or avodah in Hebrew, in this world. So it says in the Parsha, there's a verse that's brought down, Veshamarta et ha-mitzvah ve'et ha-chukim ve'et ha-mishpatim asher anochi mesavcha hayom lasotam. You shall therefore observe the commandments, the statutes, and the ordinances which I command you this day to do. So from this verse, we all know that we can only do good deeds in this world. And the verse is essentially telling us not to delay doing good deeds and mitzvot. The Zera Shimshon, now he provides a commentary on this verse, and he states that the main avodah, or job, of this world is to do what is called in Hebrew as borer. Borer is a separation. It translates essentially from Hebrew to English as separation or separate. And borer is essentially performing a separation in our daily lives and deciding between good and evil. That's what the Zera Shimshon is saying from this verse. Now, the Zera Shimshon, he goes deeper and he states that during the 6 days of the week, we are allowed to make a separation, but comes the seventh day, the Sabbath or the Shabbat, and there's a prohibition on the Shabbat. One of the malachot, one of the 39 malachot, is that you're not allowed to make a separation. There's a prohibition to not perform separation, and this especially applies to making a separation with an instrument. So therefore, we should strive in this world to do borer all the time. The Zera Shimshon is telling us, with this verse, it's telling us that we need to, in our everyday, day-to-day lives, we should do a separation between good and bad, doing what's right all the time, to make a separation and to decide our course of action, whether it's right or wrong, and to take the proper path on a daily basis, while constantly preparing ourselves for the seventh day or the world to come. And until next week. And this class is dedicated for the Neshama of Rabbi Shimshon Chaim Nachmani, or the Zera Shimshon. Shabbat Shalom.